So Aron just released some pretty good news for AMC, and I do believe a huge move is coming this week for AMC and GME stock. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GME stock every single day. So right now AMC is trading at $5, and I do believe once the good news comes out with Despicable Me 4 and with Deadpool and Wolverine coming out in about 2 weeks as well, these two movies are both gonna make over $1 billion in the box office. We already have Inside Out 2 looking to reach $1.5 billion. The box office is back and it's not going anywhere from here, which is amazing for AMC. AMC is the biggest theater chain in the whole world, and the stock is extremely undervalued. I mean, we got pushed down from $50 all the way to $2.38. From $2.38, we're still up over 100%, and I believe this bull cycle is just getting started. This could be the biggest cup and handle forming, and I wouldn't be surprised if AMC is trading over $50 by the end of the year. GameStop, on the other hand, everyone is just waiting to hear from Roaring Kitty. It's been trading sideways for a while now. Roaring Kitty has been silent ever since the lawsuit was filed. He did, update his playlist on YouTube, but we still haven't heard anything from him. At this point, I'm not sure when he is going to do a portfolio update, but I wouldn't be surprised if he was the one that loaded into AMC stock. I mean, I know damn well he's looking at it as well. He might not talk about it, but I know damn well he is looking at it. It is definitely on his watch list, as well as costs, and we just saw costs go from like $5 to $18. So I believe AMC is due for this second year. I mean, I was thinking that this was the second year right here, because if we take a look at GameStop, it had its second year right there. But it doesn't really look like AMC has had its second year, and it can be coming this very week. The volume is extremely low and AMC is not moving anywhere. That means no one is really selling and a lot of people are buying more. I mean, I think $5 is a steal. That's just my personal opinion, and none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold any of these stocks. It is extremely risky, but I like the risk, I love it, and I think this isn't really a risk at all. I think this is something that's guaranteed, at least in my head. This is guaranteed. Obviously, nothing's guaranteed in the stock market, but I think it's almost impossible for AMC to stay trading this low. Now, with the amount of pressure that's been building up, now with the amount of apes that we have ready to go and that are buying the dip, it just doesn't make sense to me. It really doesn't. And we did call out the bullish butterfly. We called out the hammer candle. We called out the cup and handle that was down here when AMC was at $4.30. I've been looking at this every single day, and I get a lot of comments saying, how does it feel being freaking wrong every day? I'm not saying it's guaranteed going to happen this week or the week after that or the week after that. What I'm saying is, in the long term, AMC is going to go up, in my opinion. So yeah, this isn't short term. This isn't a really get rich overnight play. In my opinion, I do believe this is a value investment right here, just because of how low AMC is and how the box office is recovering. I mean, all you have to do is take a look at the numbers that the box office is making. Those numbers are huge for AMC. Like I said, AMC is the biggest theater chain in the whole world. So it really doesn't make sense for AMC to be trading this low. So Aron posted this today. He said, "It is hot, hot, hot all over the country. It makes me wonder if our theaters across the US are doing so well this weekend because of the appeal of Despicable Me 4, Inside Out 2, and A Quiet Place Day 1? Or is it because of our air conditioners? It is cool at AMC. AMC does have a lot of cash in hand, and it does have around $2 billion due in 2026. We have so much time to make that money, so much time to talk about ways to restructure the debt. I just can't imagine AMC, not being a company anymore. I can't imagine a day where that comes. So, I do have my money where my mouth is. I'm not telling anyone to follow me. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm buying more AMC. Every chance that I get, I'm buying more. And I already have basically 95% of everything in AMC. 1,000 in calls, almost 20 grand in shares. I mean, I'm freaking insane. But, I think it is going to pay off in the end. So this guy said, a final update has not yet been posted. It's not over yet. Hashtag GameStop. So the last GME YOLO update we got was 24 days ago from Roaring Kitty, and his portfolio showed 9 million shares of GME. Now obviously, with everything that happened with Chewy, we don't know what is in Roaring Kitty's portfolio. We don't even know if he's gonna upload. He obviously doesn't have to upload his portfolio. He shows what he wants to show. So at this point, everyone's just praying that he does come back. I mean, he's been MIA ever since the lawsuit. I'm not sure how serious that was, but I'm pretty sure they are coming after him. And I am also pretty sure that Roaring Kitty didn't do anything illegal, because, I mean, this guy's almost a billionaire, basically. There's no way that he's gonna go into this without having the best lawyer there is determining every move that he makes, whether it's legal or not. So I don't think anything's gonna hold up in court. The SEC is just going after him because, you know, Ken Griffin's a sick bastard and he's gonna burn in hell, and they're losing a lot of money. So obviously they're trying to do something, but it also could just be a show. You know, it could just be a huge show, and Roaring Kitty's plan is just coming together, sending freaking GameStop and AMC to the moon. This guy said GME 24.5 will either grant us a shot at the $26 breakout or confirm a deeper sweep, in my opinion. Heavy buy volume and we break $26 with momentum into overhead targets. Heavy sell volume and we watch lower time frames to snipe the fake down long. Volume, volume, volume. We need her either way to break this 2+ week range. So GameStop has been in this pattern for basically 2 weeks. Roaring Kitty hasn't said anything. People don't even know if he's holding GameStop still. I do think he's holding GameStop. A couple weeks ago, there was a buy imbalance on AMC. Someone loaded up over 9 million shares of AMC stock within a couple minutes. That could have been Roaring Kitty. I wouldn't freaking doubt it. This guy said AMC chart analysis. AMC has a massive gap to fill to $65 plus. Over $6.24, we could gap to $11.40. Then above $11.40, we will see $42 shortly. Above that, we will see the start of the second gap to $55. Then $80, which would be freaking insane. Roaring Kitty will likely announce he loaded AMC soon. So, you know, this guy is thinking the same thing that I'm thinking. I wouldn't be surprised if Roaring Kitty came out with 9 million shares of AMC. We don't know how much money this guy has. If someone would have told you 3-4 months ago that Roaring Kitty's going to come back and he's going to be the 4th largest shareholder of GameStop, no one would believe it. But it freaking happened. It freaking happened. So at this point, anything is possible. So I did some research on, you know, the Despicable Me franchise. So it said Despicable Me 4 debuts with $122 million as boom times return to the box office. The Independence Day weekend haul further extended the considerable box office reign of the Minions, arguably the most bankable force in movies today. And then if we take a look under Despicable Me 3 made over $1 billion. So I do believe Despicable Me 4 is going to break that and go even higher than Despicable Me 3. Just like Inside Out 2 made way more money than the first one, I do believe Despicable Me 4 is going to make easily over $1 billion. So that is just going to be insane. The news on that, the news of Deadpool and Wolverine. Guys, it's happening right before our eyes and not a lot of people are looking into this. It's right freaking there. The box office is recovering. The box office is doing better than it was before the pandemic. It's going to be doing way better than it probably ever was in history. Movies are freaking back. The only reason why movies were doing so terrible is because there was no movies. There was no freaking movies. But I'm telling you, the movies are going to start rolling in and AMC is going to go to the freaking moon. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. I'm going to try to just go to sleep and wake up because I'm freaking jacked to the tits for tomorrow morning. I will be keeping you guys updated on everything that happens with AMC and GME stocks. So make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, here we go, come on.